Hello, my friend. This is a relatively quick video that I took yesterday. I wanted to get it out to all because, again, I have similar issues. There's three issues you're going to see here. Two of them I would consider for the first time, I'm going to use the word dangerous, but let me try. The first issue is lanes, where the directions show me going straight. The car is in a lane to go straight, and quickly it makes a left as I'm crossing over. Now the lane I was in is straight or left, but I was going straight, and it showed I was going straight. Second issue, getting onto a brick surface, the car slows down into the teens. Unexpectedly, have had two issues where the driver behind me fortunately put on his brakes fast enough because there was no reason for me to slow down. Stop signs, you'll see the stop signs, several issues where it stops, it goes, and it stops. Now, that one is also a problem in that the car behind me thinks I'm going, and all of a sudden I stop like that. So that's another issue. And then finally, in this particular video, I was going straight. The map showed I was going straight, and the car got into the right only turn lane. Now, I think it was going to still go straight even though it was in that lane, but because I had a car come up behind me, I needed to make a turn, a right turn, and get out of the way. So I wasn't able to test that, but in the past it's done that. So anyway, please watch, and hopefully this helps somebody. We're going on a drive right now, and this is a repeat many time drive. So what I want to see if things are fixed. I've been reporting them, and I think I've been doing it properly. So the first one is we're coming to a stop sign that the car usually stops, starts, stops, then goes. So let's see if this is fixed. Stop. No traffic either way. Stopped. Oh, here comes a car now. Here comes a car on the left. Two cars on the left. Three cars on the left. One on the right. So I had this really nice opening, and the car stopped twice. So here we go. All right, we are on the move in a rather quick takeoff there, which is fine. Now, many of you will remember this if you watched my video, that the car is supposed to go straight right here where that orange is across a 4-lane highway from a stoplight, and the last issue was it didn't. It made a left turn very unexpectedly. So here's what we want. We want to go into the middle lane, so there's going to be 3 lanes coming up. We want the middle lane, which is straight or left. The right lane is right, and the left lane is left only. There was no drifting here, which it has done numerous times, so I am very encouraged that we're about to see a big improvement. Here we go. There's no blinker on, which really worries me. And, oh, I hope you saw that. So we were going, it was drifting left, then it went straight, and then it made a sharp turn to the left. So I'm going the wrong way. I'll have to be rerouted. This is not fixed. Made a left turn, and it was supposed to be going straight. All right, let's watch the reroute here. That was very disappointing, very scary. And the car to my left, I thought was in the process of coming into the lane I was in, which is even more scary. I did just report it, by the way. So the car's creeping out, which it should do, and we have plenty of room. Here we go. That was good. It creeped out really well. The turn was fine. It's a 55-mile-an-hour road, and it's quickly getting up to that, so I think that's good too. All right, here we go again. Now, the first problem this way is this brick road in front of us. The car did not slow down. That's great news. Going to come to another brick surface just here up ahead. I have a car making, and we have slowed down to 16, 13. I had to put my foot on the accelerator. Same problem. I reported that 2 days ago. We're now coming to a stop sign. It's a four-way stop with a brick surface in just that intersection. So here we go. Very nice stop. Here we go. We headed over without slowing down, and now we slowed down to 14. I don't know why we slowed down here. 15. Now we're speeding up and coming to a three-way stop right here. I've not had any issues here. You saw what happened just back there with the speed. Coming to another stop sign. At this particular stop sign, I again have been always stopping at least 2 different times. We're slowing down here for some reason. 2 different times, and sometimes even 3. So hopefully we'll go around this truck, and we are. Very nice. So here's the stop sign here, and I want to go left. So we are stopping. There's no traffic either direction. That's great. Here we go, and we stopped to 0 miles an hour, and now we're going. And so that's, unfortunately, none of that was really fixed. And I'm going to drive it again so I can report individually all of them. And now this is a big one that has been fixed. I want to be in the left lane behind all these cars. I'm going straight across the highway. I do not want to get into the right lane. It is no longer fixed. I am now in the right lane. This is a very disappointing drive, very disappointing. So I'm just sitting here, and I'll tell you why I'm just sitting here. The car is actually going to try to go straight, though if you could see right here, I am in a right-only lane, and I am now going to have to go because I have people behind me. As I said, this is... I have a amber blinking arrow. I have right after these two white cars, I'm fine. Perfect. That was perfect. Coming to a four-way stop, and I am going to make a left and I expect FSD to make a left here. I'm going left, and that car is going left. It's coming towards me. And great, it read it. Well, I was there first. So anyway, perfect turn. So what do you think? I don't think I'm embellishing anything. I've been having these problems for quite a while. By the way, those same kinds of problems. I'm going to take that same drive in another day. And then I'm going to also do a downtown drive again now that school's back in session and things are a little bit more congested to see how things are. So thank you for watching. As always, you guys are awesome.